Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a look at PharmEasy, an online pharmacy platform available at PharmEasy.in. PharmEasy provides a convenient way to order your medications and healthcare products right from the comfort of your home. This digital platform offers a vast selection of prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, and other health and wellness essentials. Navigating the website is straightforward, allowing users to easily search for specific products or browse through various categories. PharmEasy often features attractive discounts and promotional offers, making it a potentially cost-effective solution for managing your healthcare needs. Beyond simply supplying medications, PharmEasy aims to be a comprehensive health resource. They offer valuable information on various health topics, empowering users to make informed decisions about their well-being. By leveraging technology, PharmEasy streamlines the process of ordering and receiving your medications, potentially eliminating trips to the physical pharmacy. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with mobility issues or those living in areas with limited access to pharmacies. While PharmEasy offers a promising service, it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or treatment. Be sure to carefully review the details of any medication you order online to ensure it aligns with your doctor's recommendations. Overall, PharmEasy presents a modern approach to accessing healthcare products, offering convenience and potential cost savings. Check out PharmEasy.in to explore their offerings and see if their services are a good fit for your needs. Remember to prioritize your health and always seek professional medical advice when necessary. Consider using PharmEasy as a tool to support your healthcare journey, but not as a replacement for traditional medical consultations. Exploring online platforms like this can contribute to a more proactive and informed approach to managing your well-being. Don't forget to explore the various features and resources available on the PharmEasy platform to maximize its benefits. They may offer helpful tools such as medication reminders or information on drug interactions. Always prioritize your health and safety by consulting with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions or concerns regarding your medications or health conditions.